Alright, I am back up under the dash. The brake pedal is just to the left of my head in this phone. And the item I am attempting to focus on right now is that blend door actuator, the topmost, rearward-most mounted HVAC blend door actuator on these cars. Actually, the name of it is the blend door actuator. I think I previously called it the mode door. That's incorrect. The mode door one is mounted a little bit lower down here. It's slightly easier to get to. But this one, the blend door actuator, is the most difficult, whether you've got a Pursuit or not. I have the Pursuit, so it's absolutely the most difficult. But anyway, so that's it. It's held in place with two screws. You can see one screw right there in the middle of the shot. The other one is directly on top next to the where the wiring harness plugs in. You can't see it from this angle, but I took a mirror and looked, and it's right there. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a bitch. Actually, the top screw won't be bad to get to. The bitch is going to be that bottom screw. It's oriented, or its placement just behind this heater core pipe means you can't get, you can get a bit on it, but then you can't get anything on the bit. So what I'm going to do is put a bit on it, I think it's a T15, whatever it is. I'm going to put the bit in it, then I'm going to use a ratcheting, I don't have it's going to be a 1/4 inch bit, so I'll just use a 1/4 inch wrench. I don't have a ratcheting one, and I'll just turn it one turn at a time until I can get the son of a gun loose enough to finger it out. So that'll be that screw. The top one I should be able to get to a little bit easier, and then unplug it, and then, it's got to come out. I looked in the service manual. Service manual says to pull the whole steering column, which means you've got to pull the airbag out of the steering wheel, and it's just, I'm not willing to do all that. I'm going to give this a go first. See how much trouble I can get into.